What's happening, YouTube people? I'm just gonna go out to the markets, see if I can get some groceries. I'm gonna invest in some serious green vegetables this time. I want to see what I probably might eat and what I want, so I'm just gonna try sampling some vegetables first. I might even get one or two, I guess. Um, yeah, I'll see what else I can find there. Probably some bread uh, and some cakes as well. Oh fuck, I really need some cake right now. I don't know why, but I really feel like eating cake at the moment. Alright, so let's go. So I'm back from shopping. Kind of bought a fair amount of vegetables this time. Got some beans, green beans that is. Some mixed colored capsicum. What else have I got? Some fancy lettuce. This goes here. And what else? I've got to have green onions or spring onions. They're so good. Some seasoning as well. Paprika, sweet and spicy. Well, for me that is. And what else have I got? Got spinach. Might put them in my smoothies or do some stir fry. And what else? Cilantro, the coriander. If you're Asian, you gotta have this. Asian, I mean Indian or whatever. But yeah, you gotta have coriander. Let me see what else have I got. Hot and spicy, ding dong, mixed nuts for my beer session. Got myself a drink. Focus, mango, and passion fruit. Just gonna try that. And pawpaw, or in some parts of the world as it calls papaya. I don't know what I'm gonna make with this, but it's probably gonna be salad. And what else? Yeah. And one eggplant. What am I gonna make with eggplant? I think I might just use this in my stir fry. But yeah, that's all the veggies I've got there. And guess what? It only costed me like $20. So, deal. This drink is amazing. So refreshing. Mango and passion fruit. saying.
Alright, let's add a BBs. So you're gonna move the selector all the way to full auto? Hey.
Let me see what I can.
Dude. This is selector?
Yep.
You can do it from both sides, but it's currently on safe,
Yep.
semi, and full.
Semi and full. Oh.
Yeah.
How did you get full? Okay. Yeah, I get it. Wasn't it?
Yeah. I'm still fixing shit.
So it's not. What should I do?
Fiddle around with the front of it.
Yeah? Shit, I'm scared, eh?
Yeah. That's it.
Nice.
Might be out of BBs. Yeah, that's out.
What's up? Yeah. Solid milk too. Bacon's crispy as fuck. Oh my god. That's a lot of flavor. Are you gonna cut it? I think you gotta cut it on the plate.
Yeah, actually,
Place it like the whole lot on the. Is it stuck? Why don't you leave the whole thing on the, like, with the foil?
with the
Yeah, that'll make it easier. Is it hot?
The foil is not hot.
Whoa! Is that for real? Damn. Crispy and gooey at the same time. Nice. Is it spicy enough? Nice.